Located in the articulation joint, the periodic maintenance decal outlines all periodic maintenance for the machine, including location, fluid type, and capacity for each cavity. 2. Also within the articulation joint is the transmission oil check. As depicted on the periodic maintenance decal, transmission oil level should cover the entire sight glass at the beginning of each day. 3. At the engine compartment, check engine oil level. To avoid an inaccurate check, remove dipstick cap for 30 to 60 seconds to allow oil level to equalize before reading the dipstick. If needed, engine oil can be added through the dipstick location. For low light conditions, an engine bay light can be switched on. 4. Depending on your machine, the hydraulic oil reservoir visual sight glass is located either in the engine compartment or under the operator platform. With the machine off and loader linkage placed on the ground, the oil level should read between the marks on the sight gauge. 5. Check the engine coolant surge tank level by visual inspection. If a refill is needed, the fill area is located at the top of the hood. 6. Fueling and DEF fill is completed at the rear of the machine. Because these daily checks are completed from the ground level, operators can perform daily checks while fueling the machine. To prolong the life of the emission control system, ensure that the DEF fill area is clear of debris that may contaminate the system when filling. 7. While no daily service checks are completed from the right side of the machine, it is good practice to perform a visual inspection of the entire machine prior to operation. 8. While at the loader bucket, inspect seals at each boom to bucket connection for any missing hardware or damage, replacing seals as needed. Additionally, inspect the condition of bucket wear parts and replace any cutting edges, bucket teeth, or segments that have approached their usable life. 9. If equipped with tire pressure monitoring, tire pressure is checked within the operator station's monitor. For optimal tire pressure specific to your machine, configuration, and application, consult your John Deere dealer.